Okay, so I love ncmpcpp. It works really well for a lot of things. I mean, it can manage entire... It can manage a whole bunch of, cool stuff. Well, it manages MPD pretty well. I don't know what I'm doing, but... Someone basically made a soft fork of ncmpcpp with album art, and it's rmpc. It's probably written in Rust, which I kind of hate, but yeah. So what's really cool is it's got this cool try without installing prompt. So if I quit out of ncmpcpp, what it lets you do is you can run this command without even installing it, and you can try it out right here. Now, I tried this out because, okay, cool, whatever. So default there, and everything works perfectly. Well, it's pretty amazing. It's been quite a while since I've had something new. Let's see. Okay. There are a couple issues I've noted with it. Okay, so we'll pause it. It seems to not work the best in this configuration, but I can quit out of it. So you don't even have to install it, and you can technically run it without ever installing it onto your computer as long as you have a network connection or internet connection. But we're going to install it because I want to... oh, wait. I looked for it. So if we look for rmpc, it is in the repos, Arch repos, and it is in the AUR. Yeah. So we're just going to go rmpc. So we're going to install that real quick. Now, something to note with it is it does have a couple different versions, it looks like. So you can display cover art. It works a lot like ncmpcpp, and it looks a lot like it too, which is pretty cool. You've got your browse pane, a lot of the similar shortcuts that you're going to find in ncmpcpp. And so, yeah, we get over into the installation. Okay, yeah, there it is. Arch Linux rmpc. This may become my new default MPD managing client, honestly. Just because it's there. Yeah, it's Rust. Darn it! But yeah, so it's got configuration. It has its own little configuration here. If I go rmpc, can I clear that? Oh, wait. Okay. It's got different default shortcuts than I have set for ncmpcpp. So let's see, address, So yeah, here's the whole bit of everything. We can change the layout too. So we've got the option to mess around with different layouts, tabs, so keybinds. This is what I'm more interested in. So it's a JSON config, it looks, or yeah, a Rust object, node object or whatever. But yeah, change your themes, song table format, and so on. I just like the fact that it's very similar to ncmpcpp with everything, and it's somewhat fancier as well. But if I go, remind me how to clear out my, it was like D, wasn't it? Wasn't it? Global navigation Q. Yeah, delete all. So I can go D, clear the whole thing. I go to here, and I can go with It was Shift A, wasn't it? I believe it was. If I go in here, where is it? Add all, yes. So I can go over here. And now I've got all those in there. So I would say, in my situation, I would go through and change all the keybinds so that it's more familiar for me. So if I go into, say, ncmpcpp, the config is right there. And I can just go through and probably convert all these settings into the configuration file here and make it work that way. Let's see. Volume step, enable mouse. You can see that when I run it on my own system too, that it ran the default, all the defaults rather than asking me what to pipe into everything. But yeah, it just downloads a shell script per se when you're doing it offline, but that's an option. I'd recommend downloading it and running it that way. rmpc is pretty cool, and I'm going to mess around with the layout a little bit just to get a better feel for it. So I can go and clear that out, go here, probably change some things so that they're added with Vim keys. Go Shift A here, go over here, and like go there. I can go here, there. If you liked the content, if you enjoyed it, if you think I deserve it, like, comment, subscribe, leave any criticisms you have or what have you. I appreciate it. Feed that algorithm, like I said, and I will see you guys in the next one.